back to my channel, and if you're new here, please subscribe for craft tutorials, DIYs, and hauls. And don't forget to press the notification bell to be notified of all my new videos. So today I'm coming on here to show you these wool dryer balls that I was sent to by the company called Becko. They sent it to me to do a review for you guys. So I wasn't quite sure about doing this on my channel. However, I know that there are a lot of moms that watch, as well as people that do laundry in general. And honestly, I had never heard of wool dryer balls before. So I looked it up, and between looking online and seeing what Becko had on Amazon's website, it looked like it was a good product. So the wool dryer balls are kind of like replacement for the fabric softener sheets that you put in the dryer. And the dryer balls are good because they don't have chemicals on them. These are 100% New Zealand wool. There's no chemicals on them. And these balls, it had said that they last up to 1,000 loads. So in comparison to a dryer sheet that you would be using every one each load, that is saving a ton of money, and it's great for the environment, and it's good to not have the extra chemicals on your clothes, especially because from what I've read online, the regular dryer sheets can leave residue of the chemicals on your clothing, which I was not aware of before. So I decided I would go ahead and do the review. They're called wool dryer balls. They're 100% New Zealand wool. They have no chemicals or scent or anything on them whatsoever. So if you want to, you can put like some sort of oil or scent on here, like an oil scent on here to make it smell good. Like this is the only one that I have. So I went ahead and tried this as cucumber melon fragrance oil. I just had this just laying around. So in the container, you get 6 wool balls. So they're all, like I said, all 100% wool. So they're safe for your family, they're safe for babies. Sorry, the light's really bright. I'm trying to get it. They're safe for babies' clothes, they're safe on everything. And then they come in this cute little holder that you can store them in. So like I said, they're supposed to last up to 1,000 loads per ball. It didn't really say I didn't really see if it said how many you need per load, but I would guess like 2 to 3 balls per load. I just tried 2 when I did it. So you just stick these in the dryer if you want to add this in there for a scent. But they also help the clothes from getting entangled, and they help with static cleaning and all that. So let's see. I'm just going to see what they say on their site. It says eco-friendly material, time-saving and durable. And this says wool dryer balls can effectively prevent clothes from intertwining, make clothes more gentle, and reduce pet hair on your clothes, which is good because I have a dog. So you can use it on fluffy clothes, towels, bed sheets, blankets, etc. And so it has the 6 balls, and each ball is 7 centimeters in diameter, and obviously you can see the size right here. So I did try them in my dryer, and I did put some of the scent on here. I didn't put a whole lot because I have a baby, and even though these are supposed to be safe, I wasn't sure. I didn't really put oils on my clothes or anything, so I just didn't put a whole lot on there, just in case. But I would probably use a little bit more next time. I think I put like 2 drops of this on each ball. So you could probably do maybe 4 or 5 drops or something like that, or however many, and use more balls if you want. And I did notice that the clothes were not all super tangled up, because I have like my kids' clothes all in there, and baby blankets and everything, and they tend to get tangled, and when I went to get them out, it really wasn't that bad. So I do think that they work, and obviously if you put the scent in here, then it will get the scent on your clothes. So that's one of my favorite things about the dryer sheets, honestly, is I just really like the scent. So yeah, it's a really great deal. They're $9.99 and they are Amazon Prime available if you do have Amazon Prime. And they actually gave me a coupon code if you guys want to try them out. You know, it's $10, you get 30% off, and it'll be $7. And like I said, it's supposed to last up to 1,000 loads. So it really could be a big money saver and better for the environment, better just in general because there's not any chemicals on here. If you guys want to try it out. Okay, so like I said, if you guys are interested in these wool balls, all the links will be below for the coupon codes and to purchase on Amazon. Thank you, Becko, so much for sending these to me because I do think that these are going to be a money saver, and I do like that they're more natural. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Check out all my social media links below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.